सोनू चल गया हाय कर हाय ये पार्किंग है बाप रे आज केते दूर रे पार्किंग होची वो सोनू सोनू आर यू हैप्पी आस आसी डायरेक्ट पहुंची गले मॉल ले सोनू आर यू हैप्पी यस व्हिच शॉप यू वांट टू गो बहुत भीड़ अच्छी आस 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 सोनू फास्ट सोनू तोर कौन दरकार लंडन बस लंडन बस देखा हे सोनूर जोता किणा हम ए लगी सोनू आस सोनू हाँ शूज किणिया 10 सोनू शू किण बोली आसे सोन तोर केमती शू दरकार एमदिया भल हो यार मॉल को जीवा बुलिकी पढ़िया गरम हो बाहर भितर वाह ये तो खेल बढ़िया अच्छी बेबी खेल सोनू हाय कर दे बढ़िया आसुची सोनू आर यू हैप्पी सोनू हाय कर दे ओके
Thank you so much. Next up, let's have participant number 26, Dashvi and Hiba. Are you lost for the duo? Woo! Participant number 27. I'll give the tape, you just stick, okay? I'll shoot it. Just like this. Shania Singh and Sneha Singh. 43, Anvika and Radhika. Come on, let's clap for them everyone. Applause, applause, applause. Woo! That's some fashion divas on the stage. Oh my God. I see both mom and daughter are following the retro duo. That is the theme we expect from you. Wonderful, wonderful. Love that walk. Wonderful. And Radhika now.
Wow. Say thank you.
Woo, that's same. Miss Radhika on the stage. So beautiful.
Are you happy now?
Wonderful.
What's there?
Claps everyone, claps. Next up, number 30. A huge applause for Samara and Julie everyone. Woo! flowers, emerald chokers, sari. I have never seen such a diva before. Oh my god, this is called style. This is called a true fashionista. Woo. Oh, that is wonderful. The style, the fashion, the mode. Yes, ma'am. Another question I want to know. Participant 16 won.
ଆସ ସୋନୁ ଚାଲିକା ହାଇ କର
Come on, come on.
ହାଇ
Yes, yes, yes. Stop hurrying. Stop hurrying.
ଆସ ସୋନୁ ଚାଲିକା ହାଇ କର
Come on, come on.
ହାଇ
Yes, yes, yes. Stop hurrying. Stop hurrying. Pose, pose, pose.
ଚାଲ
Stylish pose.
ବୁଲି ପଡ଼
Yes, we walk. Once again, pose.
ଏଇ ଆଡ଼କୁ ଚାଲ
Pose, pose.
ଆସ ମିଳିଛି ସୋନୁ ଲଣ୍ଠନଟେ ଆଣିକିରି ଆସିଲା